Let's start our lecture number 3 of unit signal conditioning and data acquisition system. Data acquisition system, that is DAS. A single channel DAS consists of a sensor, transmitter and signal conditioner followed by an ADC performing repetitive conversion at a free running internally determined rate. The outputs are in digital code. The digital outputs are further fed to storage or a printer or a computer for analysis. DAS is used for sensing the different incoming signals from transducers from plant and converting them into suitable form for processing, storage and transmission. Necessity of data processing in instrumentation. Different transducers operate on different input voltages for its operation. There are variety of voltages that transducers operate on it. Also, reference voltage required it different for different transducers. For transducers, reference voltages are also different. Hence, output of each transducer require separate signal processing for converting them to standardized output with a full scale range between 0 to 10 volt DC or 4 to 20 milliampere DC. Transducer requires a digital output and it also used for signal processing for converting them to standardized output. Data processing is required for linearizing the output of a transducer. Data processing is used to linearize or get a constant output from transducer. Some transducers output has very low amplitude, hence amplification is done before further processing. Some transducer gives the output having very low amplitude, that is voltage. So amplification is used to get further processing. Loading effect on transducers is removed using buffers. Buffers are used to remove loading effect on transducers. Analog operations like product, ratio, sum, difference or logical decisions are performed on two or more transducers output during data processing. During data processing, the transducer does the analog operations like product, ratio, that difference, that is subtraction, sum, that is addition, or logical decisions like and, or, etc. Let's see the block diagram of DAS. It consists of input processing transducers, that is input from various types of signals to the analog scanner, A to D converter, data processing module, RS-232 communication, computer. Data processing module further gives the input to modem, RS-485 CAN, Modbus, alarm output, display. Digital input, digital scanner is added into the A to D converter signal. Analog input from transducer are processed in signal conditioning block as shown in figure A. Analog scanner scans the processed output one at a time and A to D converter converts the analog signal into digital signal. Digital inputs are directly scanned by digital scanner and give to data processing module. Data processing module does averaging, summing, limit fixing, scaling operations on signal. Processed digital data is transferred to computer serially using RS-232 communication cable. Also, data is transferred over a long distance using different data transfer techniques. Objectives of DAS: performing signal conditioning on input signal. input signal, buffering the input signal from transducer, converting analog signal to digital signal, providing input and output isolation, improving signal to noise ratio and removing garbage signal, that is remove the noise signal from actual signal, displaying the result and transmitting the signal after data processing. After data processing, it transmits the signal and display the result on output display. It performs the signal conditioning on input signal as well as buffer the input signal from transducer. Signal conditioning in DAS. Transducer can be characterized in a number of ways. They either by the fundamental physical properties they employ by or by quantity they measure. Input as we know, we get the input from transducers. It is characterized in a many number of or various number of ways, that either by the fundamental physical properties they employ or by quantity we can measure the output. Thank you.